Tired of feeling cold from using old space heaters that just don't work? This winter, stay warm with the Indoor Portable Space Heater by Trustec. Light, portable, and functional, Trustec Space Heater is the perfect solution to keep your bedroom, living room, or any space indoors warm. For your convenience, the space heater comes equipped with LED display and remote control, so you can enjoy the comfort of a warm home right from your couch. Trustec Space Heater comes with a programmable thermostat, so you can adjust the temperature to your needs. It is also equipped with a timer function, which can be adjusted from 0 to 12 hours to save you money on your electric bill. Our safety features include tip-over shutoff and overheat shutoff for your peace of mind. Stop freezing in your home and stay warm with the energy-saving portable space heater by Trustec.
Cozy up with the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater. Equipped with 1500 watts of warming power, this heater features multiple heat settings and an adjustable thermostat for custom comfort. Safety features include automatic shutoff switch for overheat protection. The Comfort Temp function automatically modifies the heat and power settings to save energy, and the attached wheels make them easy to move. Delivering gentle, full room, long-term warmth, DeLonghi Radiant Heaters distribute heat quietly, evenly, and efficiently. Enjoy the comfy convenience of the DeLonghi Comfort Temp Portable Radiant Heater.
Introducing the second generation Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tower Heater. Control your heater right from your phone, wherever you are, using the free Atomi Smart app. Or control the smart heater using simple voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, turn on heater. The smart heater's 360-degree tip-over safety switch automatically shuts off the heater if tipped over and instantly sends you a phone notification. The Cool Touch housing and handle allows for easy movability, and with overheat protection, your home is always safe. The powerful yet whisper-quiet heater quickly heats up using its ceramic heating technology. The Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tower Heater, the smart and safe way to keep your rooms warm.
The Mr. Heater Little Buddy Indoor Safe Propane Heater is perfect for heating workshops, enclosed porches, hunting blinds, campers, tailgating, ice fishing, you name it. It's safe, provides hours of warmth, and is easy to use and store. Let's get started. First, remove the unit from the box and check for any shipping damage to the unit. Make sure you have all the components listed in the owner's manual. It is very important that you read, understand, and follow all safety instructions and warnings in the manual before setting up and operating the unit. Now you're ready to set up the Little Buddy. Connect the heater to a 1-pound tank. The tank should be installed in an upright position. Be sure the heater is away from any flames or other ignition source and that the heater is cool to the touch. The tank threads must be properly aligned with the heater threads to avoid damage to the heater. Then insert the tank into the tank base for stability. Be sure the tank is pushed all the way down to the tank base. Using soapy water, check for leaks at the tank connection. Before starting heater, check clearance to combustible objects. Top 30 inches, front 24 inches, sides 6 inches, rear 0 inches. Now press the start button. Check to see that the pilot light comes on and continue to hold the start button down for 30 seconds. Then release the button. Be sure the pilot light stays on. If necessary, repeat this process until the pilot stays on. The tip switch is an important safety device that shuts down the heater if it is knocked over or tilts past approximately 45 degrees. Once the tile is turned bright orange, tip the unit to test the tip switch safety device for proper shutdown of the heater. All infrared heaters, including the Mr. Heater Little Buddy, consume oxygen in the process of burning and must be properly vented. The Little Buddy is also equipped with a life-saving oxygen depletion system, ODS. The ODS senses the level of oxygen around the heater and shuts the heater down automatically if the oxygen percentage falls below a factory preset level. Now relight the unit. To shut off the unit, push the off button. You're now ready to use the Little Buddy heater to keep you warm and comfortable any time of the year. Be sure to watch the Little Buddy cleaning and maintenance video for tips on how to care for your heater. Mr. Heater is America's most popular brand of portable heaters.
The Lasko Remote Control Ceramic Heater with digital display keeps you comfortable in any climate. With a multifunction remote control, digital readout, and a programmable thermostat, this heater is versatile enough for most rooms and can be easily transported with the built-in carry handle. This Lasko 1500-watt tower heater is equipped with widespread oscillation and an 8-hour timer for an easy-to-use experience every time. Stay warm with a compact Lasko ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat. The adjustable thermostat control feature allows for personalized comfort any time of the year. Equipped with built-in safety features, 1500 watts of comforting warmth, and 3 quiet settings, the Lasko ceramic heater provides high heat, low heat, and fan-only options. The convenient carry handle allows for easy transport, and the 3-year limited warranty ensures reliability. Arriving fully assembled, the Lasko ceramic heater is the perfect addition for any home.